So, are you a company secretary seeking work from home assignment but unsure how to secure clients without traditional marketing methods? But that is also not allowed under ICSI rules and regulations. But you are not alone. Many professionals face similar challenges, but there is a path forward. In today's digital age, platform like LinkedIn offer a wealth of opportunities. Like you can leverage such platform where you can showcase your skills and expertise, and also you can show that you are available for remote work. Like you are networking within the professional circle is a greatest strategy, right? So you need to engage with the online groups, communities there, so that you participate in the discussions and you offer your valuable insight. As in my previous video, I've told that foundation is something very important. So once you have built that foundation, you are capable of answering a few questions, whatever related to your niche are thrown at LinkedIn. So you, by offering a valuable comment on that, you can actually build relationship with your potential clients, maybe who doesn't require your services immediately, but maybe in a near future date they might require. And one more thing, satisfied clients are your greatest asset. So you need to, so one, if even if you have served a single client, you serve them better and also remind them to encourage them so that they refer you somewhere, because word of mouth referrals are the powerful tool, so that you can secure the future assignments, right? Then another thing is, what I suggest is offer virtual events. Like it is a very unique opportunity to connect with your potential client from comfort of your home. So either you can participate in webinars or related to your industry, or you can also host some webinars where you can share your knowledge, your expertise, your niche, even in fact for free, so that you attract your clients, and clients, potential clients, get to know that you have that knowledge of the niche which you are talking about, right? Your online presence play a very vital role, because um, when you have the strong compelling profile, it attract clients. Like make sure that your website and your social media profiles, including your LinkedIn, reflects your skills and expertise, and even go deeper in your knowledge. Then clients who are searching for CS professionals online will contact you. Many a times it happens. Then it's not a overnight thing. You can't achieve success overnight. It actually requires a lot of dedication, commitment, and hard work. So you need to manifest your goals, whatever you want to achieve, be it money wise, financial wise, how you will become happy, how will you get, what kind of goals you have, be it financially or professionally. And you need to follow the steps which I have told you in this video, so that once you believe in yourself and commit to your goals, take action, then you will get the work from home assignments as a company secretary. So once you start this, you know and one more thing I want to add in this video is that, see, individual efforts is not something that helps you gain the success. As there is a saying that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. So when you can build a community of professionals, that can give a wider impact and enhance your chances of success. So for example, consider starting a WhatsApp group. Somebody, a professional who is very good in particularly in LLP, business structure compliances. So add that person as LLP expert in that WhatsApp group. Similarly, there will be n number of people who you might know from your professional network, and then you can start adding them, even your competitors, because once you are coming together, you can transform each other's weaknesses into strengths, because a team actually grows stronger than a single proprietor. So even if as a cs, I was a proprietor, but what I understood that a single proprietor will not grow at that speed, in a speed when a team can grow. So when you, for example, when you meet your clients, but if you meet as an individual, that will not give that impact, but when you meet them as a whole team of experts by your side, then it will be impactful. Because if there is a FEMA expert, if there is a listed company expert, if there is a startup guru, and then if you have a LLP expert or many others, then they showcase a set of skills which gives a collective strength. So sometimes a client comes who you cannot cater because you are not expert in that, but your friend can cater. Then you can have an arrangement with your friend, and also then you can work as a team, as a collective team. So don't hesitate to collaborate even with your competitors, because you need to leverage the power of community. Together you can achieve a greater height than you ever thought possible. So that's what my suggestion is. I have a lot of consultation. If you want to consult me 101, then you can reach out to me on the email which is mentioned in the description box. And because I can help you succeed with more tips than this, because teamwork always give you always make the dream work. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, let's continue to support each other and thrive together.